Alrighty guys, today we will be making some delicious stuffed bell peppers. Step 1 is to gather all of your ingredients. Find that in the description box below. Now we're going to cut the tops off of the bell peppers now that they have been washed. And then we're going to clean them all out. Take an onion, cut it not on the hairy side, and then cut it down the middle going towards the hairy side. This will make dicing it a lot easier. See? Super quick, super fast. Alrighty, take a lime and we're going to cut it into quarters, and then we're going to take our grape tomatoes and cut those all in half. Now we're going to get to the chorizo part, so go ahead, set a pan to medium-high heat and saute until the meat is cooked through. Then you're going to add in the onions and you're going to saute all that together until the onions are translucent. They should look like this. Alright, now add in your tomatoes. Okay, we're going to cook those until they are nice and soft. It should take maybe a minute. Then once we finish with that mixture, we're going to go ahead, take it off of the pan, add some lime, and we're going to start stuffing our peppers now. Go ahead and stuff them to the top with that beautiful chorizo mixture that we have. And they should look like this once you finish. Add some cheese, my personal favorite. It's always sharp cheddar cheese. And put those bad boys in the oven. Alrighty, you're going to bake those at 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and the bell pepper is soft on the outside. Now you're ready to enjoy these delicious stuffed bell peppers.